Hi, I'm Shelly Petrick, the Union Grove Retail Manager at Community State Bank. For this month's Tech Talk, we are going to focus on fraud. Fraud, unfortunately, is on the rise, and fraudsters are specifically targeting seniors. We would like to take a few moments to show you some tips and tricks that can help protect you. Tip number 1, if it's too good to be true, it's most likely a scam. Are you receiving phone calls, emails, or letters claiming that you've won a large sum of money? In many cases, these turn into a scam. Just remember, if you didn't sign up for something and they're asking for your personal information or for you to send them money before you can claim your prize, it's a scam. Tip number 2, don't click the link. If you're receiving an email from an unknown source and they want you to click a link, please use extra caution. In some cases, these are phishing attempts where people are trying to steal your personal information or passwords. If you are in doubt, you can always reach out to the company directly by visiting their website. Tip number 3, monitor your account with CSB Online Banking and the CSB Simple Banking app. Fraud unfortunately can happen, so it's always important to keep an eye on your bank accounts and monitor your transactions daily. CSB offers a unique set of online and mobile tools that can assist you with monitoring your account, such as account alerts and card management. These are just 3 useful tips to help monitor your account and protect your identity. For more information, you can visit our website at csb.bank. Thank you for listening to this month's Tech Talk.